So as you can see, I've got a full house of butterflies in here. It's a little bit messy for two reasons. One, I've put sugar in there, and I've also put a piece of fruit. But also, when these butterflies come out of their cocoon, they also have a dye come out of their wings. So that makes a little bit of a mess. It's like this red dye. You'll see like right there. So wherever these butterflies create their or grow their wings out, they release this like red dye, and that's what that is. So I saw it in the pamphlet. It says don't be alarmed by that. That's not blood. That's the coloration of their wings. But anyways, I wanted to make this video because they've all successfully come out of their cocoon, every single one of them. You can see the empty cocoons right down there. All of them are empty. Even the one that fell off, the cap, that one also hatched or came out of its cocoon. So 100% success rate with every little caterpillar. When they first came, they were the size of my pinky nail, and they grew, and I documented that all the way through to now. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that sequence of the videos. It's not when I first got them. So when I first got them, they didn't move for 2 or 3 days. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up around about day 3 or 4, I believe. The total process took around about, I got these on December 22nd and it's now January 16th. So it took, you can expect it to take about 4 weeks to get to this point. In 3 days, I'll be releasing them. But now that they've all come out, you can see some of the color on them. Like these guys right here. Look at them, you can see the wings. Anyways, let's go ahead and go through the evolution of these guys or girls, their birth, or their development and evolution into a butterfly. All right, so I received these about 6 days ago. When I first got them, they were very small, about, I don't know, 1/5 the size they are now, a lot skinnier, and they didn't move for 2 days. And I saw where it said on the sheet that if they're not moving, they're not dead, just hang tight and they'll come around, and now they're starting to move. So as you can see, they're up and moving, and this is about day 6, and we're gonna track this from day 6 forward. This is the, let's see, insectlore.com. All right, and here we are just before they start to become a chrysalis. You can see they're making their way to the top. This is about day 8 or 9. They've grown so much. So now you can see they've made it to the top. Not quite chrysalids, but they're up there. And this is probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks to get up there. All right, here we go. They've made it to the top. It says wait 3 days for them to become chrysalids. So as you can see, they're up there and we're waiting. And sure enough, here they are. They are in their cocoons. And that has just basically occurred over the last day and a half. So time to prepare the butterfly habitat. All right, so I've removed the caps and I've got them in there. This one here, you can see these are a lot more active than the ones on that one. I don't know why those ones aren't moving. And the ones in this one here, one of them was on the ground, so I put that one, you can see I just put it on the ground like insect lore said to, so we'll see. Oh wow, look at this. We've got some butterflies coming now. Look at that. They're starting to come out of the cocoon. So we've got some actual butterflies now. They've come out of their cocoon, you can see. Not all of them yet, but they're slowly but surely coming out of there. All right, looks like we've got all of the butterflies out of the cocoon. Even the one that fell off and did not stick to the plastic, that one also came out of its cocoon. So you can see all of them made it, every single last one of them. So I decided to show this picture of what they actually look like, how small they are when they arrive. Like I said, they don't move for about the first 2 or 3 days. Don't be alarmed. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like it and subscribe to Urban DIY TV, this channel, and we'll see you guys next episode.